Hello everyone, I'm Chris. In this video, I'm going to introduce some of my favorite accessories that I got for my Fujifilm X-E4. Before I start, I want to first clarify that this is not a sponsored video and I'm not paid to introduce the products I'm showing in this video. The Fuji X-E4 is by far the most compact Fuji camera I've ever used. It's also my favorite camera to use for street photography and cinematic video shots. So, with the right accessories, you can actually do much more with this camera. The first one I'm going to recommend is the hand grip. It's probably the first thing you will need to buy for your new X-E4. The hand grip really makes the camera much more easier to hold, especially when you are shooting with a zoom lens like the 10-24mm or a bigger prime lens like the 18mm f1.4. This hand grip does add a bit of weight to the camera, and the camera also loses a bit of its minimalistic look. But anyway, I prefer the better feel of holding the camera like this. With the hand grip attached, you can still access the battery and the SD card. The grip can also protect the base of the camera from getting scratched. If you are using the X-E4 for street photography, like using the camera with one hand, you can get the thumb rest as well. The thumb rest is designed for street shooters, so you can hold the camera with one hand and just shoot. To install, you just need to slide the thumb rest into the hot shoe. It's a good fit, but it's very tight to take out once you insert it. If you're using the X-E4 for video, you might want to consider getting a cage. I got this SmallRig Cage for the X-E4. You get many threaded holes and a cold shoe, so you can put an external mic or an external monitor on it. The cage feels very well made, and it's not heavy at all. You should get one of these if you're using the X-E4 for video production. If you're using the X-E4 for filming walk-in shots, you will need to get a gimbal for it. I use the Zhiyun Crane M2, which is a very compact gimbal that I really like. I use the Fuji 23mm f2 lens on my X-E4. With this combo, it's about 500 grams, which is perfect to install on the Crane M2 gimbal and not overloading its maximum payload. With this setup, I can easily do steady walking shots that's not possible without a gimbal. I can do smooth panning shots and tilting shots as well. It's really worth a try to use the X-E4 with a gimbal to get nice looking cinematic video shots. So that's all for my tips on what accessories to get for the Fuji X-E4 to improve the shooting experience. I hope you liked this video, and you can leave a comment if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my channel for more Fuji camera videos. Thank you, and I will see you soon.